Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Intel. The report was first published on our website Friday, July 29, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Intel? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since July 29, 2022, our system ranks the Intel stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -3.501. Over the next few days we will see how this evaluation performs. In our daily updates for Intel, our last headline reads, Intel stock price fell more than -8.56% Friday, closing at $36.31. The Intel stock price fell by -8.56% on the last day, Friday, July 29, 2022, from $39.71 to $36.31, and has now fallen 3 days in a row. During the day, the stock fluctuated 3.92% from a day low at $35.24 to a day high of $36.62. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a -5.98% loss for the last 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 70 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 125 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $4.54 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $56.28, and the lowest price was $35.24. Right now the price is 35.48%, or $19.97, below 52-week high, and 47.6%, or $32.98, below all-time high January 24, 2020, where the price hit $69.29. The stock lies in the middle of a wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -15.93% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -21.31% and -7.69%. The 12-month trend indicates a -25.59% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -21.50% and -3.97%. This equals a price between $28.50 and $34.87 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Intel stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Intel stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Intel. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Intel stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $39.16 and $38.22. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 21, 2022, and so far it has fallen -10.59%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 7 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 7 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 84 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 80 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Intel. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right condition the stock may perform very badly in the next couple of days. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $1.38 between high and low, or 3.92%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 2.74%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Intel. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Intel currently has a price-earning ratio of 6.60. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Intel meets first resistance at $36.97. If you do not hold Intel shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. The stock does not have any support from accumulate volume below and may therefore fall very hard and fast given the right conditions. Caution is warned, and you should not place any bet unless you're a skilled trader and know how to play these cases. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Intel is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On July 1, 2022, Yuri Frank D. made an inside buy of 859,933 of phantom stock units. On July 1, 2022, Goldsmith Andrea Joe made an inside buy of 619,152 of phantom stock units. On July 1, 2022, Smith Gregory D. made an inside buy of 859,934 of phantom stock units. On June 22, 2022, Gelsinger Patrick P. made an inside sell of 13,063 of restricted stock units. On June 22, 2022, Gelsinger Patrick P. made an inside sell of 6,477 of common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 39.877. In total, the insiders bought 1,509,058,802 and sold 602,388 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Intel stock a buy? Intel holds several negative signals and is within a wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold/accumulate to a sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 1st, we expect Intel to open down -25 cents and start trading at $36.06. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.